Okay, I'm about to attempt one of those carpet cleaning videos, you know, like you see online. I like them, so I'm gonna try it for myself. Watch out, girl. I'll soak it down. Gonna come back in with some Dawn Power Wash. Okay, here we go with the brush. I don't know if I have a squeegee, but okay, rinsing it off now. Okay, and coming in with the squeegee. Look how much cleaner it looks already. Wow. I think I need to do one more rinse. And one more squeegee. Okay, a second rinse. And the second squeegee. This is kind of cathartic. When I get done, I'm going to put the other one next to it to show you how the difference. Because I got another one that I need to clean too. So. And I will show it after it's dry also. Okay, here's the two rugs side by side. What a difference. The other one is just as dirty. Hey, Stella. So here's the final result of the rugs that I cleaned. First one came out really well. The second one, a little bit of paint in there didn't quite come out, but try something else, or either, I don't know, it's kind of old, so I may just get rid of that one, but this one turned out really, really well.